Losing your cool in a relationship happens to everyone, even good partners, even loving ones, even ones who are really trying. What matters most isn't whether it happens, but rather what you do afterwards. Because when repair doesn't happen, something subtle settles in: distance, caution, a sense of, I'll remember this next time. And here's the part most people get wrong. Repair is actually not about finding the perfect words. It's not about explaining yourself better, and it's definitely not about pretending it didn't happen. Real repair actually starts with owning the impact, not your intention, but the impact it had on your partner. Instead of, I didn't mean it that way, repair sounds more like, I see how that landed. I'm really sorry. That one shift matters because it tells your partner, I'm with you. I care about how this felt. I'm not going to minimize that. The next step is naming what was underneath your reaction. Something like, I got overwhelmed. I felt scared. I felt unheard. Not as an excuse, but as context. So your partner understands what pulled you off course. And then comes the part people often skip: reaching back towards each other. This can be as simple as, I don't want this moment to sit between us. Can we reset and try again? I care about us more than being right. Repair doesn't erase the argument, but it does change what the argument leaves behind. Couples who repair well don't avoid conflict. They just don't let it turn into distance. So if you lost your cool, don't worry, you're not broken. You're actually human. And repair is how relationships stay safe, even when things get messy. All right. Next episode, we're going to totally shift gears. We're going to talk about how to tell if couples therapy is actually working, even when the change feels pretty subtle. All right. See you then.